Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an Austrian visit visa. Austrian, not Australian, okay? Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So the information I share here may or may not apply in your case. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing I have done, I have opened this site, Austrian Embassy New Delhi, because I'm just assuming applicant is from India. But you need to open your embassy, Austrian Embassy or Austrian Mission where you are, where you can get the visa information. So if I go for visa category, for visitor visa short term 90-day visa is same as Schengen visa, okay. Now next comes how to apply. So if I go to how to apply, again this is outsourced to VFS, okay, in India. So as a rule the process number and password is sent back to VFS, okay. Appointments for this short term can be done on their home page. Please be advised, visa fee will apply for the service, okay. Embassy of New Delhi, okay. VFS web page, residence permit, okay. Documents that you need. So checklist for so here you have everything. Application form for C, checklist visa for tourism. So let's open and let's application form for C. Okay, they have downloaded this one. I think I have already downloaded it. Okay, fine. This is photo and they have written in English as well, so there won't be any problem for you. Name, surname. This is for official, okay. Reserve, okay. If you don't understand anything, you can just put it in Google and find out. Name, given name, date of birth, place of birth. This is very simple information. I have shown you Schengen visa from other countries, so almost that information is gonna come over here. Like this is for travel documents, so your passport. Tourism, you are going to check here tourism based on your purpose. Number of entries, you can see that member state, this information is very important. Name and address of inviting company or organization, whatever is applicable in your case. Then declaration, sign date, that's how it goes. Okay, coming back here, visa for checklist, okay. Application form fully in English, okay. Passport, 2 photographs, valid permit to return if applicable, okay. Cover letter, documents for your trip, proof of occupation, proof of sufficient funds, minor travelers if applicable, passport, contact details. Again they have given more information here. Now let's go back to the site. Okay, supporting documents we have seen. Fee, you can find it from VFS, okay, but for Schengen visa from €12.80 standard fee. Forms again you can find that here. Application form for, okay, fine. Now just navigate it through VFS site as well, so that we can find out VFS web page. Perfect. Okay, identify visa type. Begin your application. So you cannot send it to Austrian Embassy in Delhi because they cannot they don't accept it by post, so it has to submit it at visa application center, outsourced. Then book an appointment to take your biometric, pay your fee. Local currency fee they have given over here, that really, okay, good. and service fee also. Visa center, you're gonna attend, you're gonna submit your document, everything, and then you can proceed. Now let's go through one more time. Okay, so that's how the process, guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching.